What is going on, everybody? My name is Justin C, and welcome to the official Seattle vlog. Guys, I'm super hyped for this trip. I'm super hyped for everything we're about to do. Right now, it is the night before the day we leave. If you look right here, I'm all packed. And if you're curious, I have to be a little quiet because it is also 11:37 at night. So without further ado, I'll see you guys tomorrow with more footage. Yeah. Alright guys, good morning. I just woke up, excuse the crust, but I'm about to clean up. I'm about to brush my teeth, change, and get ready to go. So next time I see you guys, we'll probably be at the airport, but I'll still try to get some footage of the nice scenery on the way. Let's continue the video. Let's go. Guys, please admire these. Oh my God. Guys, please admire this beautiful view of me at the airport and this dude. We have acquired the Starbucks. I have a bacon Gouda sandwich there. We got my name right there. We got the girl, I'm talking. Okay, besides that, he's posting on Snapchat. Oh, didn't you guys want a bite? Check out this video. Wait. Actually, guys, this one is better. Check it out. There you have it, y'all. Oh, whoops. Yeah, there you have it, y'all. I'm just kind of bored right now. We're waiting for the plane over there to go. And, well, I don't think we're going on that plane specifically. Okay, of course, it's a little cramped, but we have officially made it on the plane. I have a decent amount of leg room, even though I have my bag on right now, but it's all good. Here's the current view. Seattle, here we come. Yay. Yay. Because it's really loud. Hey. Goodbye, California. Officially arrived to the Seattle airport, and now I think we're gonna go to the rent-a-car place to go into the big van. Is that right? Okay, because right now we're waiting for everyone to finish using the restroom and settle down and stuff like that. Well, you know what? I do, and I'm gonna add it to the vlog, probably. I'm not gonna add this part though. So that's that, guys. I'll probably just see you in the rent-a-car. All right, boom. Yo, so we're currently at the whole rent-a-car area. You can tell here that there's a lot of different cars that people have rented.
Oh, okay, no worries, because I bought
Yeah, and they're all falling on me, the backpack.
He's like, hey, it's his teenage daughter. You said.
Well, an hour later, we have finally arrived. All right, guys, so just a quick update. We're at the place that they're throwing the party. I just had to brush my teeth too. You know, I gotta stay for that, right? So let's continue. Oh yeah, I also changed. This is the place, and Anna needs food, and I agree, dude. I'm kind of hungry. Oh, look at that piano right there. Everyone, I'm about to go show off my piano skills. Let's get it. Vlog footage in the elevator. Let's go. And open. Open sesame.
Oh my god, wait. What's your last name?
It's like Van Schuyler or something.
Wait, because then we'll know which one we're.
We out here, guys. Hut. Hike. Oh wow. Let's go. Wow, vlogging, bro. I caught that. All right. So guys, we got the homie Narn right here. We got the homie Will over there, and we have. Whoa! I literally just saw this. What is this? I'm just joking. I know it's a garden, but like, dang, I just noticed this.
What?
That's super nice. It's a garden. What do you think of that?
Cool.
Cool.
Yeah, it's her garden.
Oh, and then there's a lake over here. There's the lake house over here. More of the story is just super nice, and there's a lot of cool games right here. All right, we're gonna play some. Here, go ahead, play some frisbee right now. Let's go. This man. Rest in peace to the balloon. Tell me one while I'm vlogging. With the power of editing. Oh, I got it. Let's go. Psych. I can't even see you. Yo, show the time right now, bro. Show the time right now. You're telling me it's 9:26 p.m. and it is this bright out. For 9:30? What? Are you serious, bro? That's crazy, man. It is so bumpy.
How it rains more, so that's why. There's something.
Oh. The scenery is real.
Can you get it out there? Oh, that one I feel, I think.
All right, guys, I'm currently at my cousin's house. Check out the views real quick. There's been a lot of views for this whole trip. Check this out. They have a lot of stuff here, like a lot of stuff, and their backyard is huge. I mean, there's all that room over there. There's all of these trees. Oh yeah, and then they have fresh cherries here.
Oh, guys, this really fresh one right there. I'll go get up there.
They have fresh cherries in like this whole tree right here.
And this is my.
That's super nice. Here, let's go look at the chickens.
No, this is my pool, guys. This is my pool I made.
I know, it's lit. I'm gonna show you guys the chickens. Bro, look at this. Dang. All right, I'll take one.
There's seeds in it. There's a seed in it. Spit the seed out.
Is it like actually good?
I'm eating it, guys.
Yeah, it's really good.
What's down there?
Down there, I'll show you. There's spiders down there, though.
Let's go. Be careful.
No, those really small spiders.
Oh.
Gotta explore this. Two what? Bales?
Bears.
Bears?
Bears.
Oh, wow. All right, everyone, check this out. Check this swing out, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Go, go, go.
We're gonna get caught out here. We're gonna get caught out here. We're gonna get caught out here.
Hey, what's up?
Go.
Yo.
I am scary.
Oh! Ow. Look what happened. Just finished that room service. Check out the view though. Ooh, okay. Not bad, not bad. Check out this side. Princess Leia is right there. On the projector outside or something. Ooh. There's the bed right here. Cups and stuff. Water. I'm gonna take one of these right now.
Stop moving.
Hey, we're at the whole shopping center right now. There's the city right there. Shopping center was all down there. I'll get some more footage of the whole shopping area in a bit. Yo, we're at the town and there's so much going on, dude. We were just at a bunch of shops. We were passing through places and we're about to go to, I think, Pike's Place, someplace around here. Or, did we already go to Pike's Place? Welcome to Seattle. As I said that, let's go. Okay, what's up guys? I am now currently home. It's been like 3 or 4 days, but overall it was really fun. I didn't get as much footage as I wanted to, but I still hope you guys enjoyed the whole video. New videos coming soon. I'm sorry I've been kind of lacking this past week, but I have been kind of busy with this video. It's been taking a few hours, but I tried to make it as good as I tried to make it as good as possible for you guys. So more videos to come, more beats to come. So I might be going to Vegas soon, so if I am going to Vegas, I will probably be going with my family, but just only like 4, 5, 6 of them instead of the whole reunion, you know? Subscribe, share this video, only if you want to. Peace out.